Most AI avatar tools limit you to short clips. My goal is to find a software that can generate amazing quality videos for free or at the cheapest, most affordable price possible. Today, I'll be using Pippit, Sora, and a couple of other free tools. Let me know your final thoughts in the description box below. Let's dive in.
First, I needed my avatar. I started in Sora and generated a cartoon character in landscape mode. Meet Anna. I made her in Sora. You can use any image generating software out there. I prefer Sora. I already have an image of Anna already downloaded on my computer. I will re-upload the same image to Sora and ask it to recreate the same exact image, but I'll change the aspect ratio to 2:3. This will give us a vertical image. On our Pippit AI tutorial video, which I'll tag here and link in the description box, I told you that Pippit only supports videos in the vertical format. Save both pictures. You'll see why this is important later.
I tried layering the two images in Canva, but that didn't quite work. As you can see here, most of the elements in the background just don't align. The goal is to layer both images so we can have a 16:9 aspect ratio. So here's the fix. I used Photopea to remove the background from my vertical character image. Photopea is another free online tool that I love. Simply drag the image to Photopea. Head over to Select and on the drop-down menu, click on Remove Background. Then I'll head back to Sora, upload that same landscape image, and ask it to remove the character, leaving me with just the office background. This is the finished image. Now I have a clean background and a transparent character layer ready to go. In Pippit, head to the Avatar and Voices section. Here I will upload my vertical transparent character and pick a voice. You can use one of Pippit's pre-built voices or record your own. I went with a pre-built one for speed. And just like that, your talking avatar is ready. Now for the fun part, use your avatar to generate your long-form content. I already have my script. I'll select my avatar and paste it in and let Pippit do its thing. There is a character limitation. You can see it's giving me a warning right here. I think the maximum video output you get per generation is a minute. So if you want to make a 10-minute video, that's 10 generations. I truly can't complain considering the fact that Veo 3 limits you to only 8 seconds. Factor in the fact that Pippit is free and Veo 3 is paid. If you were to produce the same video length with Veo 3, that would be 75 generations of 8 seconds clips. Here is my video. It's 58 seconds long. You can also select the types of captions you want on your video. They have so many options. I simply went with the first option. Click the download button here and choose your preferred settings. You can download with or without watermark and up to 2K and 60 frames per second. A lot of things have changed since our last tutorial. One, if you are based in the USA, they no longer have free downloads, they give you free credits. Each generation costs 2 credits for 1 second of video. I also found the site a bit sluggish. If you change your address to a different country via a VPN, you can see the site is still in beta mode in other countries. This is the output I got.
Most AI avatar tools limit you to short clips. But what if I told you you can make full-length YouTube?
And as you can see, this was an epic fail. I do not like how this was animated. However, this would have been a game changer had it really worked. So I tried to use an animated video character. That plan didn't work either. As you can see, I have to upgrade my account to access this feature. I decided to try this again, this time with a human avatar. I'll head back to Sora and create a human avatar. I'll follow the same procedure, a vertical transparent background and a vertical office image. Follow the same procedure in Pippit. This time I chose to turn off closed captions to make it easier during editing. This is the finished video.
In Pippit, head to the Avatar and Voices section. Here I will upload my vertical transparent character and pick a voice. You can use one of Pippit's pre-built voices or record your own. I went with
The results are nothing impeccable, but with human avatars, it's not as terrible as non-human characters.
I decided to simply use their pre-built avatars. I initially chose this African-American avatar, but she speaks too fast. Even with the inbuilt avatars, some work very well and others have some issues. My thoughts on Pippit have changed a lot. I thought we were going to get an affordable tool that would make YouTube automation easy. I think we have a long way to go. I'll keep trying different tools until I find one that works. The goal is to find an affordable software that can also make longer videos, at least a minute long. And that is how the video you're watching was made. Some portions of this video is my own voice, and some, like this portion, is a Pippit pre-built voice, which explains why I sound different in different parts of the video. This is not a sponsored video, I wish it was, and I don't have a coupon code to share either. I truly enjoy using the software because it's so hard finding software that works that is also free, but it does have a lot of limitations. Try it, tweak it, and share your thoughts with us in the description box below. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI content creation tips, and I'll see you in the next one.